All right, folks, we're over at our duplex rental property, and we have a problem here. If you notice here, we have a yellow jacket nest that is just crawling with yellow jackets. There's probably 30 yellow jackets on this thing, and it's in between the storm window and the old vintage window. And I know it's dark, but there's a hutch that prevents me from getting up to it with a ladder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a small hole right here above the nest that is of the diameter that a bee can't go through. And I'm going to spray this nest out to kill it, because it is a risk to our rental tenant. And I do not want her to get stung. Negligence lawsuits, you know, all that. So I'm going to pause. Well, actually, I'm going to hand the camera over to my wife to do some video shooting.
Here we go.
All right, I'm a little nervous. Hope I don't hit the glass. Look at them, they're getting kind of, they're like, what's going on here?
Hurry, one's crawling up to it.
Yeah, he's checking it out. He's like, man, what are you doing here, buddy? I see I got just a little on the edge right there. All right, next thing. We're gonna see if this fits. I may have to go in with a bigger. Oh no. Oh no. Look at that little thing right down there getting ready to go. Here we go.
Can't see good.
Here we go. 10, 9, countdown. 3, 2, 1.
You're at a wrong angle, buddy. Told you, gotta get your angle right.
All right, I'm gonna angle it out a little more. What I'm gonna do first though is maybe try to bend this up to where it'll kind of catch them some. All right, let's try this. Saturate the nest. All right, we're gonna let them die a little bit with this. Then I'm gonna go in with some wasp spray through a bigger hole. They're dying a little bit. You can see them falling off, but
sorry, little guys.
we didn't want to do it. We really didn't.
They're climbing all the way up in there.
Yeah, they're gonna be they're just not gonna have a home. I'm gonna bend this out a little bit.
Can they?
Not unless there's a way through the window, but I don't think they can. Okay, I'm going back in.
You could get up there at the top of it now.
I can put another hole right into the top. I want to saturate it. All right, so we have I kind of rigged me up a spray funnel for
Thanks to your wife.
Yeah, my wife with some hot Walmart
Straw
stolen.
at Walmart.
Now look at that. We're just blasting the whole area in there, so they're getting sprayed all the way around there because it's just blasting off. It's our Friday nights when you're married. This is what we do. This is how we roll. Let that kind of work on a bit. Little chemical warfare going there. Like I said, guys, if you weren't harming our tenant, we would have let you live. But we don't want her dying of bee sting allergic reactions.
There you go. So I can't see. A bunch down in there, wiggling and trying to.
This side here's been coated with so much spray that I don't know, but I'm thinking we're getting close to getting these guys. My wife, I drilled some holes into the window sill, trying to avoid the glass. Now she's gonna get some white caulk, and I want you to see right here. A little bit of work right there, magic. Now, no sign of the massacre. It's all gone, it's caulked up. Granted, we are replacing these windows this year, but we did stay safe from the bees. Now, if you have a vinyl window, I don't think I can help you much. You might could get a little drill bit through the vinyl and and do some silicone, but see how she's got that? There's holes. If you look right there real closely, you can see where I drilled a hole, but the white is covering those, and now we're ready to go. And folks, everything's dead. If my tenant was to accidentally bust this window out while cooking,
or they can't get out,
and like get swarmed and
if they
die,
were to come back to life,
they are dead. It's not going to happen. So folks, if you own a rental property and you got a beehive out of control on there, you know, you want to knock that out. It can get you a negligence lawsuit if you know about it. So we're knocking that out. We're taking care of our tenants. That's how we roll around here. My lovely wife, couldn't have done it without her. I just want to thank her first. I want to thank everybody that's been a part of this. You viewers, I really want to thank you all for just staying with it and watching as we went in here and we demolished some bees on a Friday night. It's what we do.
rock on.
Rock on. We had some 80s music going, some WD-40 and some Hot Shot.
All right.
We're good.
Now let's go eat.
Let's go get something to eat.
Okay.
10-4.